Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Thursday for July 30th. I am wearing a HoloLens and mentioned that I would do a video about different tech every Thursday. So let's get started. Go to start. The HoloLens allows me to use my voice to actually launch apps and experiences. All apps. There are a number of apps that come with the HoloLens, but I installed HoloPatient. And I can launch that by saying it or using the word select. Select. That brings up my gaze cursor. This dot that follows where I look allows me to select or say the application name. HoloPatient. This is my first time launching this application. And if I choose to, while the window is up, I can move the application around my space. And in this case, yes. I can log in, view the scan, or close the application. The other way that you can interact with your HoloLens is by opening your palm and pressing the Windows button. Mixed Reality Home. That puts the application that I just had in focus in kind of a read-only mode. And I can actually grab its title bar here. If I reach out and pinch, and I can move the application around my surroundings. So you can see here that I'm in the living room, and HoloPatient stays in there. As I move into the dining room, you'll notice that I have 3 applications that stay where I place them. I have my OneDrive. Over here, I have a browser window. And the browser window is set to somewhat follow my gaze or where I'm going. And I can control this up here in the corner or close it with the X. And then over here, I've got that window of OneDrive, so I can grab the title bar, pinch, and move it around. When I get it somewhere I want, I can actually resize the window as well, making it larger, maybe so it's viewable when I step back. As I turn around, I have the Microsoft Store pinned over here. So these applications stay within the 3D context that I place them. So I have HoloPatient here in the living room. I have the Microsoft Store here by the stairs. And over here, I have OneDrive in the dining room. Close. So you can use your voice, gestures like an open palm to get to the start menu, or speech. Close. And all these different interactions allow you to use the HoloLens in much the same way that you would use a Windows computer, but enhancements with sound, as well as your speech, as well as your gestures. So I can grab something like this, or I can pinch to actually do like a click on a mouse button. So you can either reach out, you can say close once you have the application in focus, or select. So the idea here is if we had a patient that was going to get a central line inserted, I might want to have remote assist and have an expert on the other end. Charles will be playing that expert that I'm reaching out to as I do the central line insertion and maybe giving me feedback on that. This could also be rounding of that solution afterwards. So if I'm the attending physician or clinician doing the roundings. The idea would be maybe a collapse prevention specialist could observe this either real time or over time to give feedback on, hey, let's go back to that patient. It looked like there was some discoloration around the area of the central line. We want to avoid this issue with infections. So I'm going to reach out to Charles here. I've got the Remote Assist app up and running. And so I reach out to Charles and I launch a call. Launch call. Select. Select.